Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Paint tutorial how to liquify. So for example, you can create new drawing and I will draw rectangles for example. Choose the color to blue color. Now if you want to create liquify from these objects, you can click these icons, liquify, and then you can set for the size. Okay, you can click hold to create the liquify, or you can click hold here, create again like this. Okay, very easy. Okay, I will create again like shape here, and in here you can set again for the color. Next, use the liquify to create liquid from this object. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Paint tutorial how to liquify.